Well, I figured it's about time to do a video on this. You guys seen this in a vacuum saved video, but I've never actually done a video on this. I've had it for like 2 months now, so this is my Bissell PowerGroom Multi-Cyclonic that I got for free here in town. It's in actually mint condition. They told me that they had bought this brand new a year ago. Yeah. Crazy, right? Brand new a year ago from someone, and used it twice and decided they didn't want it, so they gave it to me. So I have a practically brand new Bissell PowerGroom Multi-Cyclonic, and yes, it does run good. So here's what's in the room real fast. So I figured I'd show you guys. Those two Phantoms I'm fixing for a local collector here in Washington. Here's my Phantoms in all their glory. Yeah, that's all I got. Besides what's downstairs, which I'm sadly going to be pretty much parting with everything down there. So, what you see is what I have. There's like 3 vacuums in the grandmas too, which are the Eureka Capture Pet Pal, their little Pro Power XL, and what was the other one? Hoover 120 T-Series Rewind. So, I haven't vacuumed my room in a long time. The reason why I decided to do it is because Popcorn Man came. Yeah. Anyway, enough talking. Let's get with vacuuming. pillows fell. By the way, that vibrating was it on the cord. Yeah, I definitely picked up more stuff. It already had a bunch of stuff in it, but it picked up more. And the carpet looks a lot better. Yes, I know I need to carpet clean my carpet. On camera, though, it makes it look a lot worse than it does in person. I don't know why. Yep. Not bad. Not bad at all. Thanks for watching.